In this video, let's talk about why do you need to install Hub-Centric wheel spacers on your BMW G30. Wheel spacers are aftermarket accessories installed between the wheel hub assembly and the wheels. They can increase the wheel clearance. The high-quality wheel spacers can help the BMW G30 with more modifications and upgrades, including brake system upgrades, wide body kit upgrades, aftermarket wheels adaptation, cosmetic changes, and more. If you are worried about the spacers will cause vibration, we recommend buying high-quality Hub-Centric wheel spacers. Installing the Hub-Centric wheel spacers can provide high stability. BONOSS wheel spacers have a multi-stage Hub-Centric design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. A Hub-Centric wheel spacer comes with a Hub-Centric lips as a transition point. For some vehicles, the protrusion may stick out the Hub-Centric lips of the spacer by a few millimeters. Then you need to change to wheel spacer with thinner Hub-Centric lips. BONOSS Hub-Centric wheel spacer ensure that the wheel spacers better fit the hub protrusion. Every vehicle is different. As long as you choose the right Hub-Centric wheel spacers, there will be no problem. Compared with common, the multi-stage Hub-Centric design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the BONOSS wheel spacers can also be wheel adapted with different data, providing vehicle owners with more choice. If you are looking for wheel spacers with durability and are lightweight, then BONOSS Forge Lightweight Plus wheel spacers kit is a perfect option. The spacers are matched with hollow covered holes. Under the premise of ensuring safety and reliability, it effectively reduces weight and energy consumption, loss improves control performance, and achieves a balance between high performance and environmental protection. If you want to get the BONOSS wheel spacers for a BMW, please make sure to see the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.